Okay, so this is a 2009 Lincoln. First thing you want to check on this is your relay, 7016. This 40 amp right here is your blower motor fuse. So that 40 amp right there, check, make sure it's good. This is your relay. Swap it out with another one if you have to, if you don't have a relay buddy. In order to get in here and figure out if it's the blower or the resistor, we got to take this glove box out. There's a tab right here, you pull down, twist. It pops right out of there. And then there's a couple of tabs right here. You have to pull down and wiggle them. It'll just drop out of there. Now to get this bottom piece off here, there's a couple of little Christmas tree clips. That just swings down. You don't have to unplug that, but you might as well. You never know who you got walking around the shop and they may sit on that and bust it out. So just a real easy clip. Push it down, pull it out. There's your blower motor. So what we're gonna do is check it. Another pretty easy clip. Push down on this side. I got a T20 here, but I'm thinking they're probably a T25. This is in plastic and it's not all corroded. So T20 is gonna work. Here, here, and there. There's the blower motor. Let's go test it. Alright, so I'm going to clamp this up here to kind of hold it, but remember it's plastic, don't clamp it too tight. Just going to use this 18650 out of my Braun light. Check this battery. And there she turns. Oh, that's not on the bottom. Right here, if you see that plug, that is your resistor. See the two little screws? So we'll get that fingered out and pull her out. Okay, so I pulled it out. I did not unclip it first because it's a lot easier to pull it out this way. Just so you know, it has two clips. One on the front, one on the back, so careful. And of course, my luck, it's got wind, but the AC doesn't work, so haha. Guess what I'm gonna be doing. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.